been one of the most talked about ecosystem in this market cycle, with SUI giving returns in excess of 50x to some of its early IDO investors, and also risen by more than 400% in the past 3 to 4 months. But as I have mentioned earlier, while SUI can rise another 4 to 5x, some other projects in the SUI ecosystem have great potential to rise even more than 10x, 15x or 50x for that matter. So we have already made a video on it, exploring what are some of the projects which has got massive potential. So in today's video, we are going to explore another project which has got massive hype, and it's a part of the SUI ecosystem, and it's being promoted by the SUI team themselves. Yes guys, so the name of the project is Walrus. And in today's video, we are going to take a closer look as to how we can actually get Walrus Airdrop. Mind you, there is no guarantee, but there are certain tasks that are live which we can participate in and actually be a contender for getting the airdrops into the future. So how we can do those activities and how we can claim those airdrops is something that we are going to discuss in today's video. So with that being said, let's jump on to today's video. Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club. If you're new to this channel, make sure you smash up the subscribe button on our YouTube channel and follow us on our X as well as on our Telegram, because Telegram is the place where we keep you up to date with all the real-time happenings. So without further ado, let's jump on straight on to today's video, guys. So we are currently on the Walrus protocol. Let's first understand what Walrus is. So Walrus is a decentralized storage network that stores and delivers raw data and media files. So basically it's like the drive that we have on our computers, very similar to a Google Drive or a OneDrive that you have on your Microsoft, like videos, images and PDF, without sacrificing performance or accessibility. So basically it's a shared ecosystem where you can actually save your files and you can access them on the go. With the Walrus, your data is always secure and always available to you. So basically it's creating a layer for decentralized storage, and it's being followed and it's been hyped by some of the major SUI members, right? So right from Adinai, who is the chief product officer and co-founder at the SUI ecosystem, so he's also promoting it, and quite a few others as well, right? So make sure you follow them on X, and when you are on X, make sure you follow us as well. Now jumping back, how you can actually participate in the probable airdrops, right? So let's try and explore that. So there are 3 things that are open right now. First of all, you can actually interact with the Walrus testnet. How we can do it, that's something we are going to explore. You can also take part in their meme contest. That is something that we are going to see as well, how we can actually do that, as well as there is certain Galxe tasks that are available as well. So we are going to take a look at all of these 3. First of all, let's take a look as to how we can participate in the Walrus testnet. For that, you need to click on the link given in the descriptions below, and you will be taken to a particular page which looks similar to this. Once you are on this Walrus staking page, the first thing that you need to do is you need to connect your wallet. For example, I've just connected, I disconnect. I just connect my wallet here. I provide the password for my wallet and I can simply connect it. Make sure you are actually on the SUI testnet, guys, right? How you can actually do it? You can do it right from the settings options of your SUI wallet. So once you're there, then you need to claim for the testnet SUI tokens. How you can do it? 2 primary ways. Again, you can claim this link. All the links, by the way, are on the description below. So make sure you visit the description below and get all the links. So here you will find the faucet for the testnet. What you need to do is you just simply need to copy and paste your address, right guys? So what we need to do is, let's say I am on my SUI wallet first of all. So I just simply copy my SUI address and paste it here, and then give me SUI. It will give you instantly 1 SUI. Then again, you can actually claim another 1 SUI after 24 hours. But if you want to interact more with the protocol, then what you need to do is you need to go to the Discord channel. That link is also in the descriptions below, and you need to scroll down to the testnet faucet channel over here, right? On the left hand side, on the left hand menu, you need to verify yourself. You need to come to the testnet faucet. Here what you need to do is you need to just simply type !faucet and then give a space and paste your wallet address, and then you will be able to get testnet SUI directly into your wallet. Mind you, you can claim 1 testnet SUI in every 6 hours, right? So now once you have the SUI, what you can do is you can simply come back to the Walrus staking site right here, and then what you can do is you can click on get Wal over here. What it will do is you can convert your SUI into Walrus token. Of course, these are all on testnet, so the minimum requirement is 1 SUI that converts directly into 1 Walrus. So you click on 1 and you click on exchange, and within a few seconds you just provide your password once more and you will be able to simply convert it, right? You click on approve and you will be able to convert it directly, right? So once that is done, you will see you have got one Walrus token. Now once you've got the one Walrus, there are multiple storage nodes that are available over here that you can see from this dashboard over here. There are more than 90, actually 92 currently. You can choose either one of them and you can stake your Testnet Walrus token. Let's do it right away. So for example, I want to choose this first one, the BART Testnet. So I click on test and then I click on one, then I click on stake, and within a few seconds this will be staked. I just simply click on approve, and within a few seconds this will be done as well. So as you can see, this is done and my staking amount is being shown directly over here. This is the simplest way by which you can stake and you can interact. The more you interact, there are chances that you might actually be qualified for an airdrop. And mind you guys, Walrus can actually be a massive project on the Sui ecosystem. The most bullish one for me so far has been Deep, but again, Walrus is right up there, and you should definitely consider it, right? So this is the way you can interact with the testnet. Now what else? There are certain Galxe tasks that are going on. What are those? Let's quickly take a look at that. Right, so what you can do is you can come to this website. The link is again on the descriptions below. What you need to do is first you connect your wallet directly from here. Okay, once you connect your wallet, then you can actually go back and you can perform this simple task. For example, follow Warus on Twitter. You just click on view detail and you follow them, and you then click on refresh, and this will be a green tick. Similarly, you need to follow them on their website. You need to visit the Walrus testnet, try staking like the activity we just did. Then you need to have a member role on the Discord server, and then you need to read the article, right? So for example, let me read this article quickly for you. So for example, I just opened it. I will quickly go through it and I'll just simply click on refresh, and it will show me, yes, I have successfully clarified it. And there's a quiz as well. The answers for this quiz are very simple. If you know something about the Sui ecosystem, you will be able to answer it very easily. That you can do. And once that is done, you can simply scroll down and you can claim your NFT. Your NFT is your ticket to a possible airdrop in the future as well. So this is how easily you can do it, and the link for all of this is given in the descriptions below, guys. Yes, please go down below and you will be able to see it. Right now, another important factor is Walrus is actually running a meme contest. Right, as you can see, it started from 22nd of January and it will continue running till the 5th of February. How you can do it? You can simply click here and you can go to the website for the meme contest. This is the meme contest website. The website is again on the descriptions below. You can simply connect your wallet. For example, I just simply connect my wallet, select which wallet you want to connect, and you connect it. Then you can actually submit your meme, right? You can submit your meme. Make sure you're on the testnet for that, and you will be able to win at least 535 Sui for the, or 100 times of the all-time high, whatever it is, or 300 Sui for the second prize and 100 Sui for the third prize as well. There are certain rules. For example, you can only submit one meme per person or per wallet, or there could be 3 votes. You can actually vote other people here as well, that you can see. And there are the rules that the memes should be themed on Walrus, so that is also important, and no inappropriate content, like there should not be any insulting or anything of that sort. So here are some of the top ranked meme NFTs that have been submitted. You can sort them out by most recent or top voted. So for example, if I sort by most recent, I'll be able to see there are quite a few that are available over here, as well as if I just see on top voted, I can see that top memes that are available on the Walrus token over here, as on the Walrus network over here as well. So that's how easily, guys, you can actually participate in the meme contest. And given the availability of AI platforms, it has become extremely easy to create certain memes. As you know already, you can use platforms like ChatGPT and so on and so forth, so you can generate your memes. If you are creative, I would recommend do something on your own, and it will actually catch the attention of the team as well, right? So that's how easily there are 3 ways by which you can actually participate in the Walrus airdrop token. Again, this is no guarantee, but chances are high that people who are interacting with the testnet, who are performing these activities on the testnet, can actually be qualified for an airdrop of Walrus. So guys, that's pretty much about this Walrus airdrop. If you want to see more airdrops, what are some of the tokens, go down below, comment right now, and also make sure you follow us so that we keep you up to date with all the real-time happenings. So guys, thank you so much for tuning into this video. Take very good care of yourselves. Bye bye for now.